calligraphy, but why? So as you know, this is a video series requested by everyone who is wondering what can they do by learning calligraphy. Yes, you are right. You can do the exact same thing that you wish. Make money. This series is all about that. But to do that, you have to learn calligraphy. And don't worry, I will help you start from the very basics. I have videos starting from basics of calligraphy to writing fancy letters. If you haven't watched them yet, click on the link and start learning today so you can enjoy and earn at the same time. In this video, I will be telling you 3 best ways to earn from calligraphy with zero investment. Yes, zero. Also, stay till the end to make sure you don't miss my secret tips. Hello, I'm Safia from Magic Light Artista. Today I'm going to tell you 3 ways to make money with zero investment. This is the second episode of how to make money with calligraphy. So if you haven't watched my 5 best ways to make money with calligraphy episode yet, you can watch it in the link above and subscribe my channel for more videos. So let's see what we have today. Number 1. Teaching. Teaching calligraphy is a very good and enjoyable way to start earning from calligraphy. All you have to do is learn calligraphy properly and share your knowledge for a small price. You don't have to be an expert in all calligraphy styles. If it is one style you know, don't worry, just start with it. It can be basic calligraphy or flourishing or even folk calligraphy. You just have to learn the correct way and be confident in what you know to teach it. For me, even though it's a way to make money, it makes me so happy to see others learning from me, and it is very enjoyable to do that. So give it a try and see, and I'm sure you can do it. Number 2. Do workshops for companies. Nowadays, companies and officers are turning towards techniques to reduce the stress level of the staff, to make the staff enjoy their workplace and make them happy and productive. In order to achieve that, they have started recreational activities and hosting fun workshops for the staff. So, why not be the one to do a calligraphy workshop? Of course, calligraphy is a perfect stress relief and a fun thing to do. It is in big demand for sure. If they are not familiar, you can talk to companies and propose the idea too, and make your way to do workshops for them, and you can earn in no time. Number 3. On-site calligraphy. The world is full of events and celebrations every single day, and we love to go and enjoy. But don't you want to be the one earning instead of spending there? Many events and parties have various on-site things done, like face painting in kids' parties, mehendi art in bridal showers, and much more. You can always get in contact with these event planners and introduce yourself and set up a table in their next event. And you have one plus point here. Unlike face painting and all, calligraphy can be done even in corporate and public events. You can do on-site name cards, customize ornaments or giveaways, or even monograms as per request. Depending on the scale you are planning to do this, you might have to invest few bucks, but you can always start with easy find stuff like simple cards and stones or even wood slices. This way you can even introduce yourself to other people to bring in more business. So these are the ways you can earn from calligraphy with zero investment. But of course you need something to write with, which you need anyway to learn as well. No, don't go yet. You forgot the most important part. My secret tips. Number 1. When you're starting to teach, start small. You can start with 1 or 2 friends you know for a small fee. And that way you can build your confidence and teaching techniques easily. This will make your classes for strangers much enjoyable because you're not afraid. 2. If it is hard to find big companies to do workshops for, which is sometimes tough as a beginner, go talk to small companies. They tend to give the opportunity as they are more closer to their staff. This way you can build a portfolio and it will be much easier to get there for the bigger companies than just going and asking to host a workshop. So I hope this helped you to expand your knowledge about how to earn from calligraphy and use your free time or even full time to make money. In my next episode, I will tell you 5 ways to earn from your home with calligraphy. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you will be the first one to know when I upload my next video. So see you soon, and until then, bye bye.